Hello friends, peace be upon you. If you want to round the corners of an image or object, as the corners of this image are rounded. So, there are three methods we can use for this. You can round up corners in these three ways, and can also control the roundness of the corners. So, let's discover what those three methods are. But, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. So, first you have to take the rectangular tool. And, a rectangle is to be drawn here. This rectangle will be in the form of a shape. After drawing the rectangle, you will see 4 dots in the 4 corners. You will click on a dot, and drag it inwards. So, the corners will go round. In the properties, you will see the values of its 4 corners. And, these 4 values are linked ups. If you don't see the properties, go to Window, then check Properties. And, if you want to have a specific ratio of the roundness of the 4 corners. Suppose, we want to round the corners at 300 pixels. So, the corners of the rectangle are rounded. So, we will move this layer and bring it down. If you press Alt, and bring the mouse cursor between the 2 layers, its shape will change. If you click here, the upper layer will be clipped. This has rounded the corners of your image. Now, select and activate the rectangle layer. And, if you want to make the corners more round, you can. And, if you don't want to round up a certain corner, press Alt, and drag the dot back up to the outside. So, I return the rounds of these 2 corners. So, these 2 corners will be back with edges, and the other 2 corners will be round. So, if you want to round a specific corner or not, obviously it depends on you. Now, after that we see another method. In the second method, also you have to take the rectangular tool. And, from here you have to select path instead of shape. And, now we will make a path here. And, as I said before, make the corners as round as you want. And, here is the mask option above. If you click on it, the corners of the image will be rounded. And, you can round the corners as much as you want. If you don't see the mask option, let's say, you're using old Photoshop. So, you will definitely see the selection option. Make a selection of this path by clicking on Up Selection. Keep feather radius 0 pixels. And, keep the rest of the setting as it is. If you click on OK, a selection will be made. And, now make a mask on it. So, the corners of the image are now rounded. So, now we see what is the third way to round corners. In this way, you go to Layers, Vector Mask, Reveal All. Clicking Reveal All will create mask on layer. Now, you have to take the rectangular tool. And now, you have to select the path. After that, you have to draw a rectangle here. As the rectangle is formed, the corners of the image will be rounded. It is up to you to make as much rounds as you want. And from here, you can also manually adjust the pixels of the corners. Assume that the right top corner is not rounded. First click on this link icon from here, and unlink it. If its value is 0 pixels, the corner will be sharp. Likewise, the left bottom corner. If we don't want to round it, we will set its value to 0 pixels here. That way, it won't be two corners round, while the other corners will remain round. But, if you want to round up, then enter the same values here. So, in this way the corners of your image will be rounded. And, then save the image as PNG. For this go to File, Export, Export as. And, from here now you have to select PNG. By zooming up, you can see that its background is transparent. And, after that we will click on Export. And, here you can give any name to this image. And, save this image here. Now, if we open this image. So, this is your image in PNG format. Here you can see the corners of the image, that it is a PNG. That is, this image as PNG has been saved and its corners have been rounded. This image was previously with sharp corners. And later this image with the corners we rounded. So, here are 3 ways to round the corners of an up image. You will like this video about these 3 methods. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.